Faraday Defense's DEFCON vehicle unit offers dedicated electromagnetic pulse shielding for 12-volt automotive electrical systems, giving extra peace of mind for daily drivers and overlanders alike. It combines very high surge handling capacity with an energy rating in the thousands of joules, so it can soak up extreme spikes from lightning or grid anomalies before they reach sensitive electronics. The device reacts in well under a billionth of a second, which means it clamps down on fast transients long before they can damage engine control modules, radios, or aftermarket accessories. Its straightforward 3-wire hookup to positive, negative, and chassis ground makes installation approachable for experienced do-it-yourself owners or professional installers without needing major rewiring. The compact rectangular housing and generous wire length make it easy to tuck the module near the battery or fuse box while still keeping the bay tidy and serviceable. Backed by a company that specializes in electromagnetic shielding, this protector feels purpose-built for people who want hardened vehicle electronics against solar events, surges, and other rare but high-impact threats.